And welcome back to our next training lesson in working with Microvellum. Now this one, we're going to learn how to save a product back to our library. It's going to be a pretty quick video, but I just want to show you what we can do when we've made some customizations to a product different than how they're coming in default, so we can use them for future projects. So let's just jump right into it. There's actually two ways that you can do this. I'll show you the first one under the Microvellum palette. Under the Modify tab and Modify Products, we have Save Product to Library. So the first step that we need to do is find a category to place it in. I've already created this custom cabinets category in my library. So that's just going through Database Explorer. We have another video on adding a product to your database that covers how to add that new category. Now I'm just giving this a unique name so it doesn't overwrite any existing product that's already in there. You can have as many of these as you want as long as the names are different. Here we have some product-specific subassemblies that are associated with this product. So do we want to save those back to the library as well? And that just means it's a unique subassembly that has these properties that are only specific to this product. And the other way you can save a product to your library is under the Project tab and going into the product list. Select the cabinet you want to save, right-click, and save that product to the library. And we're doing it the same way, just selecting a category and giving it a unique name. Now, before we try to draw these cabinets inside of this project, we're going to need to restart Toolbox. All right, so we restarted Toolbox and we're back inside of our project. Go into the Draw tab, and let's find those new tall wall oven cabinets. The two cabinets that we just added to our library, doing it through the product list and also doing it directly through the drawing. Now, if we want to move those products or something, rename them or delete them from our library, we can do that going through Database Explorer, opening up the Microvellum factory, and then into the foundation library or products. We can right-click and have the different options to delete them, set a new name, copy them to a different category. But also just drag and drop. So here into our master staircase where they don't belong, obviously, but there you can see how that works. Now, I would recommend not putting any of your custom products inside of a standard default Microvellum category. Just with the Update Utility tool, it likes to look through all the categories and products and update anything with the same name. Now, because it has a unique name, it probably won't do anything, but just a good habit to get into. And one other quick thing I wanted to show you, by just double-clicking that product, you actually can access all the different workbooks and work on editing the product right here from Database Explorer. Also, if you needed the product to be sent to your library designer to make any other changes. Let's close out of that and get back into Toolbox and continue working on our project. Okay, well, that wraps up another video. Thanks again for joining me. And just remember, when you're saving products back to your library, always save them back with a unique name. And that goes for subassemblies too. Don't leave them out. So, see you next time.